Hi, I'm Jason Baird, here to show you an app I've been developing for Fish and Wildlife Service called Moniker. Fish and Wildlife Service has multiple automated camera traps set up around the country. The issue is computers aren't smart enough yet to identify the animals in the photos automatically. So we can't use these photos for statistical analysis until a human figures out what's in each photo. Moniker is an attempt to crowdsource the process by allowing anyone from around the world to identify the photos quickly and easily from their tablets or phones. When you first launch the app, it will automatically download a set of 15 photos for you to sort. It will also bring up a set of red help boxes that you can turn on or off with the question mark in the lower left corner of the screen. The first thing you do is tap the species button in the top left corner and scroll through the list until you find the species in the photo. These are bighorn sheep. Next, you identify how many of them are in the photo, in this case 4. If there are only 1 or 2, then select the box in the top. If there are more than that, then click on the More button and then type the correct number. Finally, hit Save. You've sorted your first photo. Oftentimes the next photo will be a picture of the same group of animals, so we save your settings. If it's exactly the same, you can go ahead and hit Save right away. In this case, though, there are 5 bighorn sheep instead of 4, so I'm going to change that number but leave the species the same, and then hit Save again. Likewise, there are 2 in this photo, 2 in this photo, 2 in this photo, 2 in this photo, 1 in that photo. Oops, I accidentally hit 2. I'm going to hit the Undo button to go back and change my answer. I'll change that back to 1, and hit Save and continue. 1 again, 1 again. This time there are no animals. We have a special code for that. In the species list, up at the very top, there are 3 special categories: Other, Unknown, and Ghost. Ghost means there's no animal in the photo, and that's what's going on here. Unknown means you can't identify the animal, and Other means it's an animal not included in the list. Sometimes you'll have multiple species in the same photo. To account for that, scroll all the way to the bottom of the species list and select Multiple. It'll bring up a list that you can manipulate by adding more species and changing the species and number for each. I'm going to pretend there were 2 bighorn sheep in this photo and 5 amphibians. Obviously that's not the correct number, so I'm going to go undo and switch the species back to bighorn sheep. 2 in this case. 2, 3, 2, and notice that the Save button has changed to Upload. That means you're done with your set of 15 photos, and it's going to start downloading some more as soon as you click Upload. One more functionality. You can pinch on the photo to zoom in, and then you can use one finger to pan all over the photo. You can also pinch back to zoom back out, and when you hit Save, it will automatically undo your zoom. This has been a demo on my app Moniker. I hope you enjoyed, and I hope you enjoy the app. Look at the description below for a link to my email if you have feedback. Thanks.